All right, here's how to create a standout LinkedIn profile that actually sells and lassos people in. Okay, first is to not overcomplicate it and just get the big three right. The big three are your headline, your profile photo, and your cover photo, and the little offer under your profile photo. So first, I suggest having a free offer because you're going to put it in this link featured under your profile, and you're going to call action to it throughout the page. In the cover photo, just use Canva. It just needs to be professional. Ideally include social proof like we do here with Trustpilot, #1 agency. You can have client logos, whatever. And then of course I have my offer here. And my profile photo is clear and unpixelated. Doesn't matter if you're wearing a tie, a cowboy hat, whatever, just needs to be a clean looking photo or something that stands out. As you can see with Oz to my right, he's our head of sales and his is with his kid. This is a great way to break through the noise. Even his headline, it's simple: director of sales, proud father, and power lifter. What this is doing is it's not positioning him as just some salesy random guy. It's someone personal. Okay, that's the kind of stuff you want to actually stand out and break through the noise. And as you can see, my headline is nothing complicated. It's CEO at Cleverly. People want to connect with people at a higher status than them or at their level. Okay, a CEO, VP, director. Okay, you don't need to overcomplicate this and no more I help blah, 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 do blah, blah, blah. It better be a really specific pitch if you're going to pitch, okay? Like this, like Chris's is good. Supporting overseas athletes for international. This is very specific, okay? Content writer for niche. These are really good, okay? This is not good. Enterprise SaaS, sales, not good. Demand gen, not good. Co-founder, good, okay? Next, you want the rest of your profile to be fully filled out. Okay, don't overthink this. Just fill it all out. Featured section, put a free offer, put social proof. I have a link to our Trustpilot here because it's our strongest piece of social proof. And pin your best LinkedIn post. I like to do that. I have a couple posts that went viral that you can probably copy. As you scroll down the about section, make a sales letter out of it. Again, don't overcomplicate this. Be really crispy, clear, short, and include a call to action at the end. And with your experience, make sure you have a good company page and put a one-liner for each thing you used to do. Okay, and then just make sure everything else is filled out. That's it. Real simple. And you should close deals off this.